Either, or. Neither, nor. 1. Either, or, used in a sentence in the affirmative sense when referring to a choice between two possibilities. We can either eat now or after the show, it's up to you. Neither, nor, used in a sentence in the negative sense when you want to say that two or more things are not true. Neither my mother nor my father went to university. Singular or plural. When using either, or and neither, nor. Note the following rules. 1. If both elements are singular, then the verb is singular too. Either the father or the mother has to attend the meeting. The nouns father and mother are singular. So the verb has is singular too. Neither Layla nor Nancy is going to write the report. Layla and Nancy are singular. So the verb is singular too. 2. However, if one of the elements is plural, then use a plural verb. Either Sue or the girls are going to prepare dinner tonight. The noun, girls, is plural. So the verb, are, is plural too. Neither the teacher nor the students were in the classroom this morning. The noun, students, is plural. So the verb, were, is plural too. He did not write his examination. He did not pass his examination. He neither wrote nor passed his examination. He neither wrote nor did he pass his examination. Swathi did not write the exam. Lavanya did not write the exam. Neither Swathi nor Lavanya wrote the exam. Aravind did not write Essay 1. Exam. He did not write Essay 2. Either. Aravind wrote neither Essay 1 nor Essay 2. Exam. This novel is not interesting. It is not useful either. This novel is neither interesting nor useful. I did not read Wings of Fire. I did not read Love Without Limits either. I read neither Wings of Fire nor Love Without Limits. Venki did not prepare well. He did not write the exam well. Venki neither prepared nor wrote the exam well. He has not practiced. He has not performed either. He has neither practiced nor performed. He has not come. His friends have not come either. She did not have enough money. She did not have a car of her own. She had neither enough money nor a house of her own. I do not like jeans. I do not like casuals. I like neither jeans nor casuals. She doesn't like coffee. She doesn't like tea. She likes neither coffee nor tea. I will not go to a beach. I will not go to a restaurant. I will go neither to a beach nor to a restaurant. The narrator did not want to carry the trunk. He could not allow his father to do it. The narrator neither wanted to carry the trunk nor could allow his father to do it. He did not go to school. His sister also did not go to school. Neither he nor his sister went to school. Jainal-Abdin had no formal education. He had no wealth. Jainal-Abdin had neither formal education nor wealth. Gopi does not like cricket. Krishna doesn't like it too. Neither Gopi nor Krishna likes cricket. She can't speak Hindi. She can't write Hindi. She can neither speak nor write Hindi. They did not drink. They did not let others drink. They neither drank nor allowed others to drink. You should not call him. You should not meet him. You should neither call nor meet him. Either or. You can choose this way. You can choose that way. You can choose either this way or that way. Ramu can attend the meeting. Sita also can attend the meeting. Either Ramu or Sita can attend the meeting. I can't remember. It is black. Or it is green. It's either black or green. I can't remember. Thank you so much for practicing. Please do practice the quizzes at the description. K Naga Raju Sang. 9,492,492,435